Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science Channel. Today is the evening of November 27th, 2020. It's a Friday evening here in Central Ohio, and this headline here kind of caught my attention today. Los Angeles County adopts new stay-at-home order as COVID-19 cases rise. Okay, okay. Now let's take a look down and see exactly what it says. Health officials in Los Angeles County, the nation's most populous, announced new COVID-19 stay-at-home order Friday that will ban most public gatherings. The new restrictions to take effect on Monday and to stay in place until December 20th will be a, will prohibit public and private gatherings except for those people already living together. Religious services and protests will be exempt. Well, I understand why religious services, because the Supreme Court just ruled against another state for that, okay? But of course, protesters are permitted. The obvious question is, are protesters going to be required to wear a mask and practice social distancing? Now, the interesting thing about this is that it doesn't say anything about deaths, okay? And as you know from our previous videos, as you know from Washington University, is the single best measure of the spread of a pandemic is not cases, but daily deaths. Not hospital beds, not cumulative deaths, not cumulative cases, not daily cases, but only daily deaths. So that's what we're going to look at. But I'm going to show you both. I'm going to show you both the cumulative numbers and the base and the daily numbers, so you understand what numbers you're actually looking at. Okay. So the data comes from the New York Times. You can find the data by searching for New York Times COVID-19 GitHub. Okay, and this will take you here. All right. Now the data itself, the actual data itself, is total cases. Okay, and total deaths. All right. The case number is the case number is calculated. It's calculated by subtracting yesterday's cases or deaths from today's case or deaths, and the difference gives you the daily numbers. Now this moving average here is another calculated value. So we take the average of the 14 previous days, then we roll forward, and we take the average of the next 14 days. Okay, so it's a rolling mean or moving average. Okay. As you can see, we've already got the total cases marked here. And it should come no surprise that this number is going up, because this number can do one or two things. It can go up or it can flatten out. So be very wary if the news media starts showing you this plot here, only shows you this plot here and talks about totals. Okay. So now let's go ahead and plot that. Now let's go ahead and plot the daily numbers along with the moving average. Okay, good. Los Angeles daily. Okay. Okay. So you can see, yep, the cases are climbing back over to somewhere between 3 and 6,000 per day. Now let's take a look at, so you got cumulative cases, daily cases, the 14-day moving average. Let's take a look up here and see what we got. Same situation. Oops. I want to surprise you. So once again, this is cumulative deaths. Cumulative deaths, daily deaths, 14-day moving average deaths. So we got this one here. So let's go ahead and plot the deaths with the moving average. Okay. So what you're seeing here is, on average, the deaths are, I would say 40 to 80, really 40 to about 70,000, 40 to 70 deaths per day. The death rate is still fairly low on average. It's about 20. But it's starting to climb again. Is it time to panic and start clamping things back down? Time will tell what it affects, okay? But anyway, if you live in Los Angeles County, you know some in Los Angeles County, go ahead and share this. Go and share this video with them so they can get that the plain, unadulterated COVID-19 numbers for their county. Also, be sure to check my channel, Cable Data Science channel, for other videos we got. Because I do it every day. I do a COVID-19 analysis for the United States with more detail than you have here. But anyway, hopefully this information is encouraging to you, and we'll catch you on the next report.